Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. Okay, so in this today's session, we are going to talk about one of the important keyword that is called EXPR. What is the usage of this EXPR and how one example program also using the EXPR we are adding two numbers. Okay, in the shell script we are writing here and we are adding two different numbers. First of all, we are going to discuss about the usage of EXPR. So what is this? Sorry. EXPR. Okay. So EXPR stands for expression. It is a standard keyword of the Linux programming or shell script. What it is saying is, see, whenever you want to add any kind of the thing or you want to write any expression, mathematical expression, you can definitely you have to use this keyword. Okay, so for this that only it can be used. It is represented as expression. EXPR stands for expression. Okay, for all mathematical calculations, this can be used. Okay, now we write one program, okay, to add two different numbers by using this EXPR. Okay. Program addition of two numbers. We are writing a program which is the addition of two numbers. Okay, echo enter two numbers. So what command is used to input? Read command. Okay, so I am taking read A, read B. So this and I am outputting this addition into another variable that is called C. So C is equal to, I have to use this single quote like the mark. Actually this is not the single quote. Okay, in the keyboard you are having some escape key. Okay, below the escape key you are having some tilde mark. In the tilde mark you have this symbol. Okay, so you have to press this key. So how you have to press this key? Shift plus this key gives you this symbol. Okay, gives you shift by pressing the shift plus this key and gives you this symbol. Try this. Okay, so while working with the lab you please try this. Okay, now the usage of EXPR will come. EXPR of the value of A will be added to the value of P. For the value which one to be prefixed to the variable, dollar symbol is to be prefixed to the variable. Okay, so $A plus $B, and again you have to use the same symbol to close. To open, which symbol is used? To close, the same symbol you have to use, and it will be stored in the in the variable called C. Now you have to output this echo the value of addition is $C. Okay, now the value of the $C will be represented. How to write this program, you know? Okay, so VI, simply press add, enter. Okay, so VI two modes will be there. In the previous commands I told regarding the VI editor, just watch my past videos. Okay, so VI, you are having two modes are there, append mode and command mode. To go to the append mode or command mode, so insert mode or command mode. To go to the insert mode, you press I or A. Okay, so then you can add all these things. To come out from that file, you have to press escape key, and at the end you simply type :WQ. The file will be saved. These things I have clearly explained while working with the VA editor, while how to use the VA editor in my past videos. Please go through that. Okay, it's very easy. If you understand the step by step scenario, it's very easy to understand. Okay, so there you type all these. Okay, after typing all these, entire program, what you have to do, you have to execute this particular shell program. How to execute this shell program? Whenever you close the file, you save the file and you come out to the dollar symbol, then what you have to say, what you have to do, you have to execute that SHADD. Press enter. Then what is the output of this particular command? It asks enter two numbers. You add 5, 2. You enter 5, 2. The result will be displayed as 7. This is the output of the command. Okay. So enter, it asks enter two numbers. In the echo, whatever it is there, it asks you. You read A and read B. First you give 5 number, 5, 2, not 5, 2. First you give 5 number, next you give 2 number, and the addition will be displayed. The value of the addition shows. Echo it is there, no? The whatever is there, that is printed on the screen. The value of addition is 7. Like that, the output will be displayed to you. Okay, the value 1 minute. Okay, so like this the output will be displayed to you. So it's clear now. This is the value of the addition. So like this the Linux program can be written. In the same manner you can use all the operators. Okay, so you can use subtraction and you can use division. Okay, and as well as modulus operator, and as well as for division you can use slash mark. Okay, and for our arithmetic multiplication you can use star symbol. Each and everything you can use. Okay, so this is the very first and very simple shell script. How to open the shell script? Using the vi command. Vi command, you are having two options already I told. In the you press, you type all this in the insert mode, and at the end you have to press escape mode again, and colon WQ you have to give to save the file. And then how to run this particular command? To run this particular command, in the dollar prompt you have to give SHADD. SHADD output will given as enter two numbers, enter some 5, 2 or whatever 2 digits. Okay, and finally you get the addition means addition, subtraction means subtraction, according to the operator whatever you use. It is a very simple shell script you can run. Okay, in the coming videos we talk more number of the shell scripts. So please subscribe my channel and please watch all the videos. Thank you for watching.